Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rukma and I make beauty related content including a lot of reviews, hauls, a lot of random videos as well. So today I'm doing a different kind of a video. I just wanted to basically sit down and shoot a very chill video today. So I'm not going to be reviewing anything, no hauls in this video. So I'm just gonna sit down and do the get to know me tag. Now what happens in this tag is I will be answering 50 random questions from this website which is called theblissbean.com. In case you're interested, I will leave the URL of that website somewhere here and also the description box in case you're interested to maybe make a video of that and you want to know the questions. So yeah, I will be referring to the questions on that website, and 50 fun questions helps me and I will be answering all of those questions for you guys. Now the fun part is that I haven't read the questions before this, okay? So I just randomly thought of this video, and this video should be up today, but I'm not very sure. It just might be up tomorrow. But in any case, I'm just interested to do this very heart to heart kind of a video. I'm going to read out the questions and give you like interesting answers. I'm going to be thinking of the most interesting answers possible for those set of questions. In case you're interested in knowing कि मैंने मेरी schooling कहाँ से की है, why did I start filming YouTube videos, who is my inspiration for YouTube, and a set of those kind of basic introductory kind of questions, then please watch my introduction wala video. I will make sure to link that video in the description box for you guys to check out in case you haven't already. So let's start with today's video. But before that, if you're new on my channel, please consider subscribing. Click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it for getting notified each time a new video is up on my channel. Without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. I'm kind of nervous because I haven't gone through these questions, तो मुझे पता नहीं है कि कैसे questions है. But anyway, we'll worry later. Let's get on to the questions. Okay, the first question is, were you named after anyone? My name is Rukma and I wasn't really named after anyone. I guess my parents wanted a very unique name for me, so my name basically means gold. Don't ask me in which language. So yeah, I wasn't named after anyone. Okay, the second question is, when was the last time you cried? Honestly, I don't remember. Okay, the third question is, do you like your handwriting? Okay, so I am definitely fond of my handwriting, and given a choice, I would probably want it to be better. But my grandparents, my parents, my teachers were always very fond of my handwriting. So yeah, I think I have quite a neat and clean handwriting, so I do like it. What is your favorite lunch meat? So my favorite lunch meat is definitely mutton. So I'm a Bengali, so I'm a hardcore non-vegetarian person, and if you give me a choice between chicken and mutton, it actually is a very difficult choice for me because I'm a big fan of both these kinds of meat. But probably अगर choice मुझे करना ही पड़ा, maybe I will choose mutton most likely. Do you have kids? मेरी शादी कहाँ हुई है, guys? No, I don't have kids. But yeah, I do love kids. Just giving you an extra bit of information there. If you were another person, would you be friends with you? So if I was another person, I would definitely be friends with myself because I'm a very generous and a soft person. So I'm a very good friend. Like, I am not dominating, and I like to listen to other people's opinions as well. So I'm quite accommodating and adjusting and quite, soft and sweet that way. So if I could have been another person, मैं definitely खुद की दोस्त बनना चाहती, for sure. Would you bungee jump? See, I'm not scared of heights or anything, but I'm a little scared of getting myself injured somehow, through these things. So probably I will not bungee jump. What is your favorite cereal? I'm really fond of the, mixed cereal for breakfast. Like, I'm really fond of muesli. So yeah, I really like that. And if you want to know carbs wise, I will prefer rice over chapatis any day. So yeah. Do you untie your shoes when you take them off? When I'm wearing my sports shoes and sneakers and all of that, I generally don't untie them. Do you think you're strong? Physically asking, I am not that strong because I've never really done cardio or I've never really trained myself. But emotionally, I think I'm pretty strong because since a very young age, I've been, living away from home. So emotionally, mentally, मैं काफी strong हूँ, but physically not that much. What is your favorite ice cream? Chocolate, hands down. I do not even bother to try any other flavor. So please, it has to be chocolate. What is the first thing you notice about people? The first thing I notice about people is the way they talk to other people, if they're nice to other people or not, and also their clothes. Not because I want to judge them like fashion police ke jaise, but I find a connection between clothes and people because I feel जो अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हैं, खुद को थोड़ा presentable way में रखते हैं, I find them very detail oriented and not that lazy. And people who are not that particular about their clothes, I find that they're a bit lazy. So yeah. Okay guys, there was someone at the door, so swiftly moving on. What was the next question? Okay, red or pink? It's definitely pink. I am a big fan of pink. Like मुझे कपड़े choose करने होते हैं, कुछ भी choose करना होता है, I always choose pink. So yeah, pink it is for sure. What is the least favorite thing about yourself? I somehow am not fond of the fact that I'm too nice sometimes. I sometimes can't say no to things. And also I dislike the fact that I am not a morning person. तो मुझे बहुत issue होता है when I have to get up in the morning and do certain things because I know there are people बहुत ही easily सुबह सुबह उठ के बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, but I'm not in that category. So I just wish I was a morning person. Who do you miss the most? So I lost my paternal grandfather in the year 2016 August. And I really miss him. It's been more than 4 years, but I really miss him because he always used to pamper me a lot, and he has spoiled me a lot, and he has always showered his love and blessings on me. So I really miss my paternal grandfather. Alright, the next question is, what color shoes are you wearing? So I'm actually not wearing shoes because I'm at home right now, so I'm just wearing my pink choppers. What was the last thing you ate? So I just had chicken curry and rice a while back. What are you listening to right now? So I listen to like old music, new music. I listen to a lot of music. I'm a big time music lover. But currently I've been hooked on to one of Darshan Rawal's songs. I mean, he's just so good. So he's the Chogada wala singer and I really like his voice. So I'm just listening to one of his songs like recently. So I love that song. If you were a crayon, what color would you be? I would be pink. Anything, not only crayon, like if I would be any other thing also, any non-living thing, I would be pink in color for sure. Favorite smells. I love the smell of coffee. I also love the smell of lavender. So whenever I'm buying like a room freshener, I always go for like the lavender smell because I'm very fond of lavender as a smell. Okay, who was the last person you talked to on the phone? So I talked to my boyfriend last on the phone. Mountain hideaway or beach house? It would be mountain hideaway. I find mountains way more thrilling than beaches because mountains make वो thrill factor definitely ज़्यादा होता है. Beaches are very plain if you see it, and beaches में ना आप 2 से 3 दिन से ज़्यादा आप नहीं रह पाओगे because it's the same thing, right? But with mountains I find they have lot more versatility. So yeah. Favorite sports to watch? I'm not really a sports person, but if I have to watch something, it is going to be cricket. Okay, hair color. So I actually naturally have sort of brown hair. It is looking black on camera, I'm sure, but I do have brown hair. Twice I've got them highlighted. So the first time it was like a maroonish color, which I really liked. Okay, it was like a burgundy color, which I बहुत पसंद था. And the second time round, I got goldenish brown kind of highlights. Eye color. I actually have brown eyes. My whole family has brown eyes. So yeah. Do you wear contacts? I don't wear contacts. I do have power, लेकिन मैं contacts फिलहाल तो नहीं पहनती हूँ. I wear specs, but मुझे contacts actually पहनने हैं. I'm actually just preparing for that. Okay, scary. Sorry, I missed a question. Favorite food. So I love biryani. Like my most favorite food on earth is biryani. Along with a lot of other things. I love so many different kinds of food. But yeah, if you ask me 2 things, it will be biryani and it will be like Chinese food. Yeah. Scary movies or happy endings? I love scary movies. I'm such a big fan of horror movies, guys. I can't even tell you. I just love the high that you get when you're watching a horror movie inside like a theater. अभी तो वो होता नहीं कोरोना के एज में anyway. But scary movies or happy endings, I'm not gonna choose any of them because these are like your babies. You can't choose between them. Because I'm very fond of happy endings as well. Like a typical like rom-com, you know, where suddenly a tragedy hits and then last में सब ठीक हो जाता है. I really love those movies. Last movie you watched? Okay, last movie that I watched was Kissing Booth 2. So there's a Kissing Booth and then there's Kissing Booth 2 on Netflix. In case you guys are fond of like romantic comedy kind of movies, you can definitely give that a watch. What color shirt are you wearing? You can see it's like a blue t-shirt and I'm wearing a purple jacket on top. Summer or winter? I'm actually not fond of either. I'm not fond of summer because obviously it's too sultry and too humid and मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है वैसा weather जिसमें सब चिप हो रहा होता है. And winter also because I have a tendency to catch a cold very easily, so I'm not too fond of winter. I'm actually fond of monsoon, so I'm gonna pick monsoon. Hugs or kisses? Hugs, I think, for sure. Favorite dessert? Definitely it's gonna be pastries. If any bong is watching me right now, it's Payesh. I love custard. I love ice creams. Or kya bacha? Yeah, that's about it. Strength training or cardio? Nothing as of now, but I feel like if I have to pick something, it's gonna be cardio for sure. Computer or television? I am actually fond of television more, even though it's called the idiot box, but I somehow like television more. Desktop versus television हुआ तो मैं television choose करूँगी. Laptop versus television हुआ तो मैं शायद laptop ही choose करूँगी. Yeah, that's how it is. What book are you reading right now? I'm not reading any book at the moment, so won't be able to answer that. What is on your mouse pad? Generally मेरे mouse pad पे मेरा mouse ही रहता है, nothing special. Any tattoos? No, I don't have any tattoos at this point. I've never got a tattoo. Probably I will get one in the future, maybe a very small one, don't know. Favorite sound? I really like the sound of wind chimes. I'm very fond of that sound. I'm also very fond of the sound of waves. The next question is, what is the farthest you have been from home? So the farthest I've been from home is so my hometown is in Kolkata and I basically work in Mumbai. Presently I'm in Kolkata now because I have work from home as an option, and I think the distance between these two cities is 1000 kilometers roughly. So yeah, that's the farthest I've been from home. Do you have a special talent? Not that I know of, so I won't be able to answer this question because I'm myself not aware if I have any special talents. Anyway, where were you born? I was born in Kolkata. Where are you living now? I'm presently living in Kolkata like I just mentioned, but I do work in Mumbai. I'm here with the work from home option. What color is your house? Beige and orange color combination. That is how it is. What color is your car? So I don't have a car actually. My parents have a car, but I don't have a car, so I will be probably able to answer this question maybe 5 years from now. Any pets? This might sound funny to some people and this might sound a little offensive to some people, but I actually am not that fond of pets. Actually I'm a little scared of animals, so I am not that fond of pets. So yeah, you guys, that was the get to know me tag. So I just answered some random questions from this website, and like I mentioned, if you want to know more about me, like what career choices I had made and why YouTube and who is my inspiration and all of that, where do I work, what do I do, all of those kind of questions you can find in my introduction video, so do check that out if you haven't already. And I just wanted to sit down today and film this video because I thought thoda sa heart to heart a get to know me tag karte hain, because this is how I would like to sort of engage my audience more into my videos, and probably you will also get to know the kind of person that I am, and you will have like a better idea into knowing the kind of girl that I am. So yeah, I just hope I was able to build that kind of a bond with you through this video. Please let me know what you felt about it in the comment section below. I love going through your comments and I always try to personally reply to all of the comments that I get, so I'm definitely gonna do that. And if you want me to film more get to know me tags in the future, do let me know that in the comment section as well. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you soon in my next video. Please take care or try to stay home, and yeah, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye, take care, lots and lots of love.